I like it when you.
Hello, I like the way you scrambling and scraping, Daddy. Yo, if a man is talking to you like that, bruh, yo,
That's not a client I want to have. But
squabble up. I think we've entered officially the reality TV levels of politics, RJ. The mayor of Dalton, Tiffany Henyard, who has already been drowning in scandals, got hit with yet another brand new one after that brawl that happened at the township board meeting. Punches were thrown. I think we saw last week when the lawyer, or Tiffany Henyard's lawyer, said that maybe pokers were pulled out. It was clear that it was a microphone, but hey, sometimes lawyers always, don't you think it's very interesting? Lawyers always seem to have selective blindness to whoever is paying them. But okay, let's continue.
you're asking a lawyer. What the hell, man? Hey, what's wrong with you, man? Sound like someone I know, man.
I'm setting you. Lighting you up. No, I'm just kidding. Guys,
KaiR, listen, this is what I always say to clients and people as well. The judge is impartial, at least should be impartial. Lawyers shouldn't be impartial. They should be partial because they're representing one client.
You hope that where you're giving your money to does he's not trying to light you up.
Yeah.
We have a hey, by the way, we have a show on Thursday about Diddy's lawyer who just stepped out of the defense team. That's a crazy story. We're gonna talk about a bit deeper about this part of this. This maybe he didn't believe that the money was worth his dignity. Anyway, who knows? But let's bring it back to Tiffany.
Some are saying Diddy was when paying, Diddy was throwing the money on the ground. What did Diddy tell Fab? I like it when you.
Hello, I like the way you scrambling and scraping, Daddy. Yo, if a man is talking to you like that, bruh, yo,
That's not a client I want to have. But
squabble up. Oh man, hey, let's bring back to Tiffany Henyard. Let's take a look at what happened. Fair use.
So there is a new round of troubles for a suburban politician. Two men say they were injured in that brawl that happened during a public meeting last month, and they are now suing Dalton Mayor Tiffany Henyard and others. NBC5's Regina Waldrop is on the story. She has exclusive details tonight, speaking with both men and Henyard's attorney.
It was a jarring scene at a recent Thornton Township board meeting. This large fight erupted shortly after Jedediah Brown called Supervisor Tiffany Henyard an expletive.
Once there's this confrontation, Kamal Woods pushes and punches Lavelle Redmond. He takes a swing at him.
Both men say they were attacked and injured for exercising free speech. They also claim Henyard was a participant in the fight.
She attacks Lavelle Redmond first, hits him maybe twice, and then she goes right in onto Jedediah Brown.
I take responsibility for my part in all of this, but it's under constitutionally protected lawful activity. I can say what I want to say, but at no time should a citizen feel that they will be attacked by an elected official.
They've both filed civil lawsuits for assault, battery, and emotional distress, naming Henyard, her boyfriend, a Village of Dalton employee, Thornton Township, and South Holland Police as defendants. Both men say they filed police reports with South Holland PD, but no one arrested. We reached out to the department, but didn't get a response.
She is to be held at the same standard as we all with the judicial or federal system. She's not exempt from that.
It was disheartening for me to see the police, after being attacked, tell me that they would not investigate this.
An attorney representing Tiffany Henyard says the claims made in the lawsuits
Archie, watch this lineup. How they're lining this guy up.
Are false.
I'm sure it'll be dismissed before it gets off the ground. So I don't think there's going to be much of any litigation that goes into it.
Brindley also claims a weapon was involved.
The man brought a knife into the meeting hall, and he swung that knife at Jamal Woods. People got cut. So that's a fact.
That's a
And now
mic.
he wants to claim that he's a victim, that the mayor attacked him. It's on video. The mayor didn't do anything to him.
Matthew Costardo says the claims about his client having a knife not true. He says the video speaks for itself.
The use of violence against individuals who are simply advocating for transparency and accountability in the community, that's just unspeakable, and it's unacceptable.
Both men are asking for compensation for medical bills and attorney's fees, among other things. They're seeking a jury trial. Regina Waldrop,
Oh.
NBC5 News.
Oh, who's gonna take the stand? Can you imagine? Can you imagine?
I've seen him do it.
I saw the Sharpie in his hands. It was
They
disguised.
lined
It
them
was,
up lovely.
it was disguised as a mic. Hey guys, hey, before we proceed, remember to rate the show by pressing the like button, follow us on our other socials, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification icon. KR, I think both sides are.
It's a mess. I think we talked about it. It's turning into a mess.
Because I do understand. I mean, as human beings, we shouldn't hit other people. Point blank, period.
Like
But we
Shami
usually say men shouldn't hit women. Why? That's referring to a specific situation. That's referring to the specific situation where you have a man that is misusing maybe his strength, his height, to intimidate a female, and that shouldn't happen. So in those situations, you say don't hit. But if you get attacked by a woman, you can hit back. And so that's why some people they find it weird that some women find it weird when a man hit them in retaliation for you hitting the man. So you shouldn't have hit the man in the first place. So Jedediah is sounding like a woman right now to say that that they don't know that I was going there, but okay, apparently I did. You said what you said, but then you were walking away. You saw a dude looking at you, trying to start something, and you walked towards him. That's not self-defense anymore.
Yeah, he walked away and then he turned back.
Yeah. So it's not. So then in that case, he's the woman that's fighting, and then you're afraid, then you're shocked. But then again, what he's saying is, I don't mind the dude finding that I went to fight because I said what I said. Yes, that's true. That does fall under your right to free speech. But when you walked and started a fight, then you partook in a fight, then it's not really freedom of speech anymore. You're in a different area of the law. You're causing bodily harm, or trying at least to cause bodily harm to a person. So he's not talking about that part. He's only talking about the speech part, which is freedom of speech, and the part where a mic hit him twice. So by Tiffany. And that's something entirely different, because Tiffany is an entirely different person who got involved, and that's also not self-defense. So it's a cookout gone wrong, basically.
Everyone is cooked, RJ. Everyone is cooked. I think this is starting to become, like I said, that's how I open it up. It's starting to look like a reality TV right now, because it's just people starting lawsuits, people throwing punches, people think they are Ninja Turtle. You know the Ninja Turtle, the plumber. Did you see that one? It's going blow for blow with let's. It's going blow for blow. That's exactly what this is. That was on TV. This is in oh man, at the municipality meetings. It's crazy.
You're talking about Aaron the plumber.
Aaron the plumber, yeah, the plumber guy. He was going blow for blow. Yo, I've never seen a man go blow for blow with someone of the alternative lifestyle. That was crazy. But this is the same thing. It's the same genre of TV. It just happens to be at the board meeting versus on TV. Mm-hmm. Where you and at Zeus you expect stuff like this. You don't expect to see the Zeus things at the board meeting because you think it's something serious.
Yeah.
This is the level they are stooping towards right now. It's getting lower. Is this the standard you want to set? Is this the example you want to set for people out there? The next mayor, can he pop out and show to defend himself or herself? This is the next level. That's the next step. Roger.
I already did the housekeeping, but I'll say this. Just to get back, you're talking about we compared two different things, right? We compared a government, so a governmental body meeting to a reality TV show.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Because you were talking about the Ninja Turtle. What is that from? Is that Love and
No,
Hip Hop?
that's Aaron. That's Aaron. They call him the
I
Ninja
know.
Turtle.
But that's why we're doing the comparison right now. So what's this series called?
It's Ninja Turtles. So you want me to? Oh, do you mean what the one he's part of?
Yeah, that's what
It's
I'm talking
Erica
about.
Mena. You should
Love and Hip Hop.
No, it's not. It's Erica Mena's dating show.
Okay, so Erica Mana's dating show. So we actually compared a reality TV show with Aaron the plumber, aka Call Your Woman Queen, who takes off his shirt every time it gets heated.
This is crazy.
To a town hall meeting.
Yeah.
It's crazy. But I'm going to ask the question I asked in the previous show. And guys, please let me know what you think. Is this something particular to Black people? Or do you guys think that it also happens in other communities? So in states where states that are predominantly states, townships, or cities that are predominantly white, but that the media chooses to focus on the Black community, at least a predominantly black community, just to continue enforcing a stereotype? Because that's also a question here. Is this really so weird, or is this like, does it always also happen?
I have to look for the story, but so I don't think it only happens in the Black communities. It happens to be now in the forefront